Sir Trevor, if there are 137,000 followers that can potentially see this video, what would you tell them this Christmas 2025?
To have a very safe, love whoever you're close to, never forget to say, never let the sun go down on your anger, and give all the joy that's meant in this very precious time. And all of our friends in the Philippines.
My name is Andre Bonds of the Handsome Mechanic.
You should be here.
What year was that?
2010.
So what is the qualification before you get knighted?
There isn't a qualification as such, but you've got to have done something extraordinarily different from your role. And the country saw fit, the Prime Minister and the Cabinet, to bestow that very high honour on me.
Wow, not many people have that thing, isn't it?
Not in Australia.
Is that the Order of Australia?
No, the Order of Australia is different. I have an investiture within the Order of Australia, but we do have knighthoods in it, but that has stopped. But my honour is an imperial honour given by sovereign, which is the king, and I was very fortunate to get that.
Wow, so it's not given to anyone?
No.
Not anyone. Oh,
Not
okay.
anyone. No.
Okay. Wow. It's such a pleasure, Sir Trevor, to Handsome Mechanic. We have a customer, a reputable person like you, and we are proud that we are your service provider. Tell me, Sir Trevor, how long you've known Handsome Mechanic?
Oh gosh, we must be hitting probably the 10-year mark. And the reason I come back is because of your service and your honesty.
Yeah.
The service is second to none, and I'm very grateful to you, Andre.
Sir Dante, I remember last time when someone tried to sue me in fair trading, and I remember this gentleman here. I didn't ask him, but he volunteered to give a letter to fair trading attesting our service. Sir Trevor, what made you decide to offer your referral to us before the fair trading?
Because of your complete and utter honesty. You're an absolutely fine mechanic, but you always tell the truth and you give it straight, and that's the reason I come back. And I recommend other people.
Wow, I know, I appreciate that. You have recommended a lot of people to us, Sometimes they come here in group, but most of the time by themselves, but they always mention your name. Alright, so thank you so much for that, Sir Trevor. And truly, I believe you have been into a lot of workshop before.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so what is the best part that you like at the place of Handsome Mechanic?
From your reception staff, mostly family members, to each and individual mechanic, they treat you with respect. With me, I'm usually time poor, and they'll always fit me in, or you will. And the service is exemplary.
Wow. How many cars have you brought in here?
Ooh, at least 3.
They still have that four-wheel drive?
Four-wheel drive, yes.
Oh, and that the whole...
I can't let it go. Yeah.
You still have that? Oh my God, you're hoarding...
Oh, hoarding cars like this, yeah.
And you got this Rolls Royce?
Yeah, the Rolls.
And then you had another one, right? I think you had...
Rover,
yeah.
69.
Oh my goodness. What about the Lexus? Is still there?
Still there.
Why don't you bring it here?
Well, because, I ought to. I've got to get it running first.
We will make it running for you.
All right, okay, well, we'll do that. You've heard it, everybody. I'm on film. And, Andre's going to look after it for free.
Why not? Yeah. So, Sir Trevor, if there are 137,000 followers that can potentially see this video, what would you tell them this Christmas 2025?
To have a very safe, love whoever you're close to, never forget to say, never let the sun go down on your anger, and give all the joy that's meant in this very precious time. And all of our friends in the Philippines.
Never let the sun
go down on your anger. Always deal with the issue before the sun goes down.
Wow, what a lovely message from Sir Trevor Garland, sending a Merry Christmas all over the world. Never let down the sun with your anger. Sort it out. Merry Christmas, Sir Trevor. We love you, and thank you so much
love you too.
For your trust.
Yeah, thank you.